426. Real deal. 63 Plymouth Savoy Superstock factory race car. So this is an actual 63 Superstock factory race car, 426 max wedge, 415 horsepower, 24,000 original mile car. Completely restored. So that is really what you could do back in the 60s, kind of like you can do now. So this would be what the Demon is today. So this is a factory race car. They didn't make a ton of them. This was made strictly to go to race teams, but if you wanted to keep it on the road, you could. It's got dual batteries in the back. It's really just made for quarter miles. In fact, it came with this notice. This car is equipped with a 426 cubic inch engine and other special equipment. It's intended for use in supervised acceleration trials, not intended for highway or general passenger car use. This vehicle is sold as is, and the 12-month or 12,000 vehicle miles warranty and 5-year 50,000 mile warranty does not apply to this vehicle. That is what it says inside the glove box. Right there. It's number 18 of 18 stage ones. So this is 18 of only 18 made stage ones. So it's documented. It's got 11.5 to 1 compression, dual Carter 625 CFM 4 barrels, a cast upswing exhaust manifold with 3-inch head pipes, torque flight push button transmission, 391 short grip rear end, factory exhaust cutouts, factory vented truck mounted battery, radio delete, and it came off the showroom floor. It would run a 12.6 at 113. Now that doesn't sound like much today, but back in the day it was crazy. There you go, guys. That's the kind of thing you find here at the Don Garlits show. Should they subscribe to this channel even if they don't like cars today for this one?
Probably just for this one.